When in Revit, you have the ability to save your file as a LightStanza file or an LSD file. This will come in handy when you want to send it to a designer who maybe doesn't have Revit. They will still be able to use the geometry within your Revit file. And so the way that is done is you'll go into your LightStanza plugin, or you'll save to disk. You want to make sure your lights are included, and you're going to export the whole model, and then we'll save it to our desktop, and you're saving it as an LSD file. And now what you can do, so we can go into LightStanza. And we can create a new design and import that file that we just saved. Great, and here is the geometry and all the fixtures that were in your Revit model, now brought into LightStanza. And so this is very helpful for designers who want to use the Revit file, but don't have Revit and don't want to learn how to use Revit.